Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Desi Chowmein at home using an easy method. First, gather all your fresh vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and cabbage. Next, boil your noodles until they are perfectly al dente, not too soft. Finally, ensure all your sauces, including soy sauce and chili sauce, are measured and ready to go. This preparation makes cooking smooth. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Heat a generous amount of oil in a large wok or pan. Add freshly minced garlic and ginger paste, stirring until fragrant. Then, toss in your crisp vegetables, stir-frying them quickly to retain their crunch. If you're adding protein, like chicken or paneer, cook it thoroughly before combining with the vegetables. This ensures even cooking and great flavor. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. For all your cooking inspiration, you can read recipes anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's super handy in the kitchen. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the exciting part, combining everything. Add your perfectly boiled noodles directly into the wok with the stir-fried vegetables and protein. Pour in your pre-measured sauces, ensuring every strand of noodle and vegetable is coated. Toss everything vigorously for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Garnish with fresh spring onions for a final touch, then serve your hot Desi Chowmein immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.